I'm a huge Star Wars fan, and for shits and giggles, basically, I made a meme and it said, "Henceforth you shall be known as Darth Traeger." So yeah, we're gonna cook up a chicken. I'm gonna spatchcock it, so I cut out the spine, and then season it, half lemon pepper, half Cajun blackening. So we got our spine right here, going down the middle. Me. Shouldn't be too hard. Other half here. Break that bone. Yeah, you're pretty much ready to season it. Spiceology lemon pepper and a Spiceology Cajun blackening. I'm gonna do half and half. I'm gonna use my spatula here to just like kind of create that barrier. Seasoning everywhere on the bird. And same with that leg here. We're done prepping. Gonna start up the grill now. Using a Traeger Timberline 850, gonna set it to 375. Drill it for about 30-40 minutes until I hit an internal temp of 160, and we're good to go. I've just always been in love with cooking. It's pure pleasure for me to see someone else and enjoy the food that I made.